Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to Laos, which is also called Laos, online on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Laos eVisa website, okay, on mobile device, which is Android. So they have given what is allowed here. I mean how you can enter other things, so you should always read and you can do this. Now it's just a 3-step, okay. You apply, pay, and then you download, okay. So when you're all ready to go for it, tap on apply now. Country of passport, so do it as per your own case. Type of travel document, I select ordinary. If you have something else, put your email, verify code, and tap on next. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Alright guys, so what it does, it sends a code to your passport, code to your email account that you use, and then once you put that code, you can come here where you have to first put the personal information, where you have to upload the passport, okay, and also your photograph, and then these details: surname, given name, gender, date of birth, country of birth, telephone, occupation, address, nationality, then your passport details, travel details, date of entry, how you're gonna flight number, purpose of travel trip, and continue. So I'm gonna upload these two and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put some sample details you need to put as per your case. So now for surname, given name, gender, you do it as per your case, not by here, okay. Then comes your passport detail, number, date of issue, expiry date, country of passport. So whatever you put, verify by 2 times, not just once. And then next to the travel details, date of entry, flight number, or whatever means you are coming through, like train, bus, whatever. So I've done some sample. Purpose, address where you're gonna stay, okay. So I'm gonna put some sample and then I'm gonna check this box and tap on continue. Next is to review the details. If you want to make any changes, you can go back and do, otherwise tap on continue. So we have reached this screen, next screen, where we have to pay. I mean, if you tap continue, it's gonna ask you to pay by putting credit card details. And if you want to add more people in the application, you can click on add more people, and in this way you can add. So that's how simple it is guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.